I called up the one that I love, hoping we could plan something fun. But through her replies and general attitude, I could tell she was all but done. I couldn't stomach the very thought of this. I was anxious and had more films to watch, but my mind kept drifting and rifting so freely to another great thing I botched. Some days you're the statue and some days you are the bird. Nothing is consistent, no. Through all of the peaks and all of the valleys, we gotta be high when we are feeling low. I laid my cat to rest and then my grandma. These past few months have been a living hell. Just some months ago all I could do was smile. Now the only thing I do is dwell. You may indeed ask me the matter, but I'll just say that I'm alright. Heartsick and mourning can't make this adorning. Just try to stay sane one more night. Some days you're the statue and some days you are the bird. Everything's up in the air. There is too much soul searching and overthinking. Is there some company that you could spare? I flash back to last year on top of the world. I'm wearing gray and boasting my crown. Friends with so many, I'm loving every day. I was adored by the town. Now maybe this is just a bad slump, or have I peaked and faded away? I'll continue writing, reviewing and mingling, hoping for a brighter day. And no, some days you're the statue and some days you are the bird. Nothing is consistent, no. Through all of the peaks and all of the valleys, we gotta be high when we are feeling low. I gotta be high when I'm feeling low. If I wasn't high, I would be feeling low.